How to remove focus mode on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything. So if you want to remove it in the sense that you want to stop it from being active, just go to the control center, find the focus toggle there, and you can click on it to uncheck it, or it might expand and click on the specific focus mode to stop it from being active. Right, so that is how you can stop using it for a while. It's possible that it will keep on turning back on, so you want to make sure you check out the settings focus section and tap on that particular focus mode and make sure that no scheduling is in place, because if there is scheduling based on a time, location, or even a smart activation, it might keep on turning it on even if you don't want to. So make sure you set up the scheduling the way that you prefer. But you can also remove it completely, right? At the bottom, you also have the delete focus button. So if there is like a specific focus mode which you don't want to be using anymore, you can always click on the delete button and it will not gonna appear in your focus modes list. But as I said, the most important part is to make sure that the scheduling is not turned on, because that might cause the issues that you suddenly notice that it's turned on and you may not like that. So I hope that you were able to remove it on your iPhone. If there is something which I did not mention or something that's going on your phone and it might be annoying or whatever, let me know about it below. It's possible I'll make more videos about this topic later in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.